Getting ready to graph. You must have some data in the worksheet before creating a graph, and those data can come from a variety of sources. Creating a graph from values that were calculated within the worksheet is probably the most common, but data can also be imported from data files, copied from other programs, such as getting data from the internet or by using a browser, or perhaps even read directly from an experiment that uses automated data acquisition. Once the data from whatever source are in your worksheet, there are some things you can do to make graphing quicker and easier. Excel attempts to analyze your data to automatically create a basic graph. You can assist the process by laying out your data in a standard form. A typical set of data for plotting might look something like I have on the screen, for temperature versus time. Notice that the data to be plotted on the x-axis, the time, are stored in a single column. No blank rows exist between the first x value and the last x value, or between the column heading and the first x value. The data to be plotted on the y-axis are stored in a single column to the right of the column of x values. And again, no blank rows exist between any of the values, and no blank rows between the heading and the first y value. Keeping data in columns is the most common practice, but rows will also work. The temperature and time data shown, we could easily show this as rows. I'll copy it, and we'll paste it using the transpose feature. By putting your data into a standard form, you will make it possible for the logic programmed into Excel to recognize the structure in your data and assist in creating a graph, which makes creating graphs in Excel very easy.